Hey everybody, hope you can join me for my next live stream lesson, and stick around for a sec. I'm going to go sledding down a big hill. On Sunday, every Sunday this month of February, the month of love, we're going to be doing a different love song this Sunday, February 7th. I love you. Since it's the day after Bob Marley's birthday, we're going to play a great Bob Marley love song, Is This Love? We're going to strum through an easy version of the tune, then I'm going to teach you the riff. Check the links below for the watch page. Please share it with your friends. Would love to see a lot of folks show up for a fun lesson and play along. The day after Bob Marley's birthday. Oh, it's the day after this guy's first birthday too. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for being a part of my channel. I hope you are doing well. Click the links below to join for a fun play along. You ready to go sledding? You're staying back here, hon. Here we go. And a 1, a 2. It's a deep slow. That was so fun. Hope you'll join me for my live stream sessions for some more fun playing ukulele, learning, and as usual, they will be wrapped up with a very peaceful, healthful mindfulness meditation that's open to all. Thanks so much. Look forward to seeing you on Sunday. Click the links below for more details. Thanks.